The sound of this letter is capital, small. To make this sound, your upper teeth must touch your lower lip without pressing or biting. Now air passes through the mouth. Put your index finger in front of your mouth so you feel the air come out. Let's do it together. Repeat with me. Now it's your turn. Excellent, very good. Is for fish. Is for fox. Is for fig. Is for fan. Is for fly. Is for fence. Is for feet. Is for foot. Now, let's identify which word has a different sound. Prepare your ear to listen carefully. Doll. Those doll start with doll. No, cross out. Fan. Fan. Those fan start with fan. Yes. Ball. Ball. Those ball start with ball. No, cross out. Foot. Foot. Those foot start with foot. Yes, very good. Pencil. Pencil. Does pencil start with pencil? No, cross out. Fish. Fish. Does fish start with fish? Yes. Is for fish. Is for fox. Is for fig. Is for fan. Is for fly. Is for fence. Is for feet. Is for foot. The sound of this letter is capital, small.